In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube within HubSpot to upload and publish your videos seamlessly. We'll guide you through every step, ensuring you're able to connect your YouTube account with HubSpot and efficiently manage your video content. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once the page loads, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the web page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, just follow the instructions on the website to set one up. Once inside your HubSpot account, navigate to the marketing section. You'll find this on the main dashboard, hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Social. This will bring you into the social media management area of HubSpot, which is a fantastic tool for managing all your social platforms, including YouTube, in one place. Next, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Create Social Post. Click on it. This is where the magic starts, as it's your gateway to creating and managing your social media content directly from HubSpot. In the new window that appears, focus your attention on the left panel. Here you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Select Accounts. Click on this menu and checkboxes will appear beside all the social media accounts you've connected to HubSpot. You'll want to select the checkbox next to the YouTube account you'd like to post to. If you're managing multiple YouTube accounts and wish to post to all of them, simply click the main YouTube checkbox. This will select all the connected YouTube accounts at once, saving you time while ensuring a broader reach. After you've chosen your YouTube accounts, shift your focus to the top of the page and click on the YouTube tab. This is crucial because it organizes the settings specifically needed for a YouTube upload, differentiating it from the options you'd use for other social platforms. Now let's configure the details for your YouTube video. Here you'll enter the title, description, tags, and any other specifics necessary to optimize your video post. Make sure your descriptions are engaging and your tags are relevant to boost your video's visibility. Finally, with your video details all set up, you have two options to conclude the process. Head over to the top right corner of the page where you'll see two buttons, Schedule and Publish Now. If you're ready to share your video with the world immediately, hit Publish Now. If you prefer to plan your posting for a later date, select Schedule and pick your desired time and date for your video to go live. And there you have it, you've successfully used HubSpot to upload and publish a video on YouTube. With these steps, you're able to streamline your video content strategy while taking advantage of the robust features HubSpot offers. Thank you for watching and happy publishing.